Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let us start with the hands-on exercise for Module 9, creating a reference document with a table of contents and an index. You may refer to page 285 to run word and change word setting. So this is when you haven't opened a document, alright, but if you have the file, you may directly go to the next step, which is on to open a document and save it with a new file name. So here you need to navigate to the location of the data files on your hard drive. Okay, open the file name inserting graphics draft. Okay, inserting graphics draft. Okay, and then save the file as, okay, you have to save the file. Okay, save it on let's say here module 9. Save it as inserting graphics final. Okay, final. Right. Save. Okay, you can see the show hide button over here, right, in the document. So we want to remove it. So just click show hide button. Okay, all right, now display the view tab, and then click the multiple pages button so that you can see all 3 pages of the document at once. Okay, so now you can see all the 3 pages of this file inserting graphics final. So we have few images here, we have few steps to insert graphics, to insert online image, to insert a picture, to insert a shape, and to insert a screenshot. Right now, when you have finished viewing the document, click the page width button to display the document as wide as possible in a document window. So just click page width. Okay, so it is back to the page width size of a document. Now, we are moving to insert a screenshot. So what is a screenshot? Okay, you usually do screenshot every day. Am I right? Okay, so a screenshot is actually a duplicate image of the contents of your computer or mobile device screen. Okay, so that is a screenshot. So how to insert a screenshot in a Word document? I guess most of you knows how to insert a screenshot. It's okay, we just learn it one more time, or maybe there are a few of you do not know how to insert a screenshot in a Word document. So now display the contents you want to capture in a screenshot. In this case, type screenshots in the tell me what you want to do text box. Click Get Helps on Screenshots on the menu to open a Word 2016 help window. Okay, so now as mine is 2013, not 2016, so the feature is quite different, a little bit different from what we have in the textbook. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you 2013 version, but if you have 2016, if you are using 2016 version, so you just proceed with the step given here on page 287. So now I go to help and then search online help. Okay, I will type screenshots. Okay, and this is my view. Okay, this is my view of the screenshot. All right. Okay, so now what we need to do, click the insert a screenshot or clipping office support link to display the associated help information. Okay, so it is here. Okay, so I just leave it here. So you need to click to view the information. For 2013, the information is already here, so you don't have to click. All right, and then scroll through, reposition and resize the word help window so that it matches figure 6-3. Okay, so you have to reposition it here, resize. Okay, just about this size. All right, and then in the word window, position the insertion point in the document where the screenshot should be inserted. In this case, on the centered blank line above the numbered list in the to insert a screenshot section at the bottom of the document. So we go to this file to insert a screenshot, so it should be here. All right, okay, and then display the insert tab. Right, click the take a screenshot button, okay, to display the take a screenshot gallery. Okay, so this is our screenshot just now. All right, okay, and then click the word help window with screenshot in the take a screenshot gallery to insert the selected screenshot in the Word document at the location of the insertion point. So just click, and then now click the shape, height and width box down arrow. Okay, so here, okay, in the size group, okay, so you have to resize the screenshot approximately 5.1 inches tall by 6.28 inches wide. 5.1, okay, 6.28. Alright, it is automatically changed for you. It's okay. Okay, you may just click here 5.1, if it can be changed. 6.28, okay. Still, it changed for you. It's okay. Doesn't matter. Right, next to add a caption. Alright, now, if the screenshot is not selected already, click it to select the graphic for which you want a caption. Alright, so here, this screenshot, display the reference tab. Click the insert caption button. Where is the insert caption button? Reference tab. Okay, and then click insert caption button. Insert caption button. Alright, now, okay, we have caption, options, label position, X label. Alright, so now, press the colon key, okay, after figure 1, colon key, and then press the space bar, and then type help window screenshot. Help window screenshot. Right. Okay, this is as figure 6-7 on page 289. Right, now click the OK button to insert the caption below the selected graphic. OK, and you will find the caption is here. Okay, figure 1, help window screenshot. Why do you need to use this caption? Okay, this is to create the correct table of content. You may just type in figure 1 help window screenshot just like you type the document, but then, okay, it will not be automatically inserted in the table of content afterwards. So you have to use this, all right, this reference tab and insert caption to insert the title of the figure, the table, all right, and the image that you have. If necessary, scroll to display the caption. Alright, so here we have scroll, and we have view the caption. Next is to hide white space. Where is the white space? Usually in every page we'll have the white space. So this is called the white space. How to hide this white space. So you just need to double click. Alright, so you just need to double click this pointer. Okay, alright, double click and you have this has been hide, is it? Alright, double click. Okay, so you have hide the white space. See? Yeah, there's no white space over here. Yeah, so just double click. Alright, next is to create a cross reference. Okay, so a cross reference is actually a link. Alright, a link to the heading, to the caption or the footnote of a document. So at the end of the last sentence, below the to insert a screenshot heading, okay, position the insertion point to the left of the period, press spacebar and then press the left parenthesis key. So this is for this screenshot just now. So it should be here. Alright, press spacebar and press the left parenthesis key. This is called parenthesis, the open bracket. Display the insert tab. Click the insert cross reference button. Okay, to display the cross reference dialog box. Okay, insert, okay, cross reference. Alright, so here. Okay, click the reference type arrow. Okay, reference type arrow. And then find figure. Okay, because we are using figure just now. Okay, figure and then click on it. And then next. Okay, for which caption? Alright. Then click figure which displays a list of figures from the document in the for which caption list, which at this point is only one figure. So we just added one figure just now. So we just have figure 1 help window screenshot. So if necessary, click figure 1. Yeah, it has been clicked for you. Yeah, and then next, click the insert reference to. Insert reference to arrow and then click only label and number. Only label and number. Okay. Okay, this is to instruct the word that the cross-reference in the document should list just the label figure, okay, followed by the figure number. Right, click the insert button to insert the cross-reference in the document at the location of the insertion point. Insert, and then you have to click close button. Okay, and alright, so here, okay, we have figure 1. So you have to click close parenthesis, the right parenthesis. Okay, so it just shows the label, alright, and the, what is it now? Just now, label and the figure. Only label and the number. Label and number. As compared to at the figure itself, we have the title of the figure. Okay, so figure 1. Alright, so if you click here, it will directly link you, bring you to this figure. Okay, done on that. Next is to go to an object. Okay, we have so many objects here. Okay, if you have more than 3 pages, you have 10 pages, so you have to use this step to go to an object. Right, now display the home tab. Click the find arrow to display the find menu at the editing group. So find. Okay, and then click go to on the find menu to display the find and replace dialog box. I guess most of you have used this button. Go to, scroll through the go to what list and then click graphic. So we want to find a graphic. Alright, so we want to go to a graphic. Click the previous button to display the previous graphic in the document window, which is the star shape in this case. Refer to figure 6-13. Okay, because you know screenshot is the last graphic. Okay, so previous graphic, this is the star shape. Click close button to close the dialog box. So we have go to this graphic, to this object. Right now, to add captions and create cross-reference for this graphic, click the star shape to select the graphic for which you want to add a caption. And click the insert caption button. Okay, in the reference, you have to remember reference tab. Okay, captions group. Okay, and then we have insert caption. So figure 1 colon key, right, type, space, star shape. All right, and then click OK button to insert the caption below the selected graphic. OK, and you have inserted the name, the title of figure 1 star shape, okay, for this object. And then at the end of the last sentence above the graphic, okay, over here, okay, change the word below to the word in. Okay, so you don't want it to be in parentheses, so in. Okay, and then press the space bar. Okay, click the insert cross reference button. Okay, and insert cross reference. Okay, so here, okay, we have it here, insert cross reference. Right now we have two caption. Am I right? So you have to choose. Okay, if necessary, click figure 1 star shape. As this is the latest, so it has been selected for you. Okay, click the insert button to insert the cross reference at the location of the insertion point. Insert. Okay, we have format. It will be using the previous format that we used. Alright, only label and number. Okay, and then click close button in the cross reference dialog box, and it is here. Okay, figure 1 shown in figure 1. Alright, so now we want to find another object. Okay, click the find arrow. Find arrow. Okay, home tab, editing group, find, go to where? Okay, you want to find previous graphic as well. So graphic previous. So we have this sunset image. All right, so this is the ocean sunset picture. Right, click close. Right, now repeat steps 1 through 7 to add the caption. Okay, ocean sunset picture to the picture of the ocean sunset, and caption rainbow image to the image of rainbow. Also add a cross reference at the end of the sentences above each image, and then close the reference. So what do you need to do now? You have to click on an image. Alright, if you still remember, click on an image and then click the insert caption button. Okay, where is it? Okay, reference tab, insert caption. Okay, figure 1. Okay, what's the name just now? What's the caption? Ocean sunset. To add the caption ocean to the picture of the ocean sunset. Ocean sunset picture. Alright, ocean sunset picture to the picture of the ocean sunset. So, okay. Alright, so we have the ocean sunset picture. Alright, now do we insert the the space over here. Alright, now you have to add the cross reference. Okay, where is it? Here, should be here, and the cross reference, okay, open parenthesis, okay, the left parenthesis, and then you have to add the cross reference. So figure 1 ocean sunset picture, insert figure 1, okay, close, and then right parenthesis. So done on that. And then next is to find another object. Find previous. Okay, so this is our last object. Click on the object. And what do you need to do now? Okay, reference tab, insert caption, figure 1. What is it? Rainbow image. Okay, right, click OK. And you have to, change below to in. Okay, insert the cross reference rainbow image. Insert, close. Okay, so we have done on inserting the caption and setting the cross reference for each object. Alright, so now we are moving to mark an index entry. To mark an index entry on page 294. First, select the text you wish to appear in the index. In this case, the word animation. Over here, animation. Alright. Select the word. Click the mark entry button. In the on the reference tab. Index group. Mark entry. So you want to add this animation word into index. You can't find index in the textbook most of the time, or any other documents that need an index. Okay. Alright, and then click the mark button to mark the selected text in the document as an index entry. Okay, over here. Click the mark entry button to display the mark index dialog box, and then click the mark button, mark index entry dialog box, to mark the selected text in the document as an index entry. Mark. Okay, so it has been marked. Alright, now. Okay, so you may notice that the mark index entry begins with the letters XE. So it shows that this animations word has been marked as index. Okay. Alright, so now click the close button in the mark index entry dialog box to close the dialog box. Close. Right, next page 298. To hide formatting marks. So we have formatting marks over here. This is just to check whether the spacing is correct, the paragraph, alright, the line spacing. Alright, so just click show hide button to remove. Alright, now to change paragraph spacing in a document, display the design tab. Click the paragraph spacing button. Paragraph spacing button. Now you may point to various. It will change accordingly. And then now we want to choose relaxed. Relaxed paragraph spacing. Okay. And then next, to show white space. Previously we have hide the white space, so now we can we don't have the white space over here, so we want to show it. Just double click to show the white space. Okay, now to insert a sidebar text box, page 297. The sidebar text box. Be sure the insertion point is near the top of page 1 of the document as shown in figure 6-18. Okay, right, and then display the insert tab. Click the choose a text box button to display the choose a text box gallery. Text box. Right, now what you have to do is scroll to display the grid sidebar in the choose a text box gallery. grid sidebar. Okay, so this is the sidebar that we want to use. Then click on it. Right now, to enter and format text in the sidebar text box. If necessary, click the sidebar title placeholder in the text box to select it. Okay, it has been selected. Type what is malware. Okay, and then change the font size of the entered text to 12 font. Okay, change it to 12. Right now, click the sidebar description placeholder and then type the following paragraph. Okay, so type malware, short for malicious software, is software that usually acts without a user's knowledge and deliberately alters a computer or mobile device operations. Examples of malware include viruses, worms, Trojan horses, rootkits, spyware, adware, and zombies. Okay, and then you need to change the font size to 10 point. Okay, 10. Right now, press the enter key. Change the font size to 12 font. 12 point. And right now, type malware protection tips. And then press enter. Change the font size to 10 point. Click the bullets button to bullet the list. Okay, bullet. Okay, click the decrease indent button to move the bullet symbol left 1/2 inch. Okay. What is it? Decrease indent. Alright, now type use a firewall. Okay, use a firewall, press enter key, type be suspicious of unsolicited email attachments. Okay, and then press the enter key, download apps or programs from trusted websites. Press the enter key, type close spyware windows. Enter, type before using removable device, not device, media, scan it for malware. If necessary, drag the bottom of the text box down to make it longer so that all of the entered text is visible. Okay, and then press enter, type backup regularly. Okay, backup regularly. Okay, make sure you have added full stop for each. Alright. Okay, now click the one page button so that you can see all of the entered text at once. View tab, zoom group, one page. Okay, so you can see now. Alright, change the zoom to page width. Okay, now to use the navigation pane to go to a page, if necessary, display the view tab. Place a check mark in the open the navigation pane checkbox. Navigation pane is appears on the left. Alright. Click the Pages tab in the navigation pane to display thumbnail images of the pages in the document. Pages. Alright, so now you can see the images. Scroll to and then click the thumbnail of the third page in the navigation pane. Third. Alright. To display the top of the selected page in the top of the document window, leave the navigation pane open for use in the next several steps. So now, to insert another sidebar text box with the insertion point on page 3 in the document. Okay. Display the Insert tab. Insert tab. Right. And then page 3 here is referring to this page actually. So you just click on this page first. Right, later on we'll edit. Click the Choose a Text Box button, just like what we did earlier. Text box, and then find Read Sidebar. Okay. Then press the Delete key 4 times to delete the current content of the text box. Delete key 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Right, now to link text boxes, click the thumbnail of the first page in the navigation pane. Okay, to display the top of the selected page in the document window, click the text box on the first page to select it. Okay. If necessary, display the Drawing Tools Format tab. It has been opened for you. Click the Create Link button. Okay, on the Drawing Tools Format tab, Text Group. Okay, Text Group, Create Link. Okay, which changes the pointer to the shape of a cup. See, it's a cup where you want to pour it. Okay, a cup. Move the pointer in the document window to see its new shape. Here, scroll through the document to display the second text box, which is located on the third page in the document window. Scroll. Okay. Okay, can you see it's just like you want to pour a cup of coffee right to the box. Right, position the pointer in the empty box so that the shape pointer changes to a pouring cup. Okay, click the empty text box. Click the empty text box to link it to the first text box, or if using a touch screen, you will need to use a stylus to tap the empty text box. Click. Okay, and then if necessary, scroll to display the first text box in the document window and then select the text box. Alright, next is resize the text box by dragging its bottom middle sizing handle until the amount of text that is displayed in the text box is similar to figure 6-25. Right now. Okay, drag it up until here. Zombies. Okay. Use the navigation pane to display the third page in the document window. Right here. See? Okay, when you linked the sidebar, grid sidebar, if you resize the sidebar box, it will move down, right? If necessary, scroll to display the second text box in the document window and then select the text box. Okay. Resize the text box by dragging its bottom middle sizing handle until the amount of text that is displayed in the text box is similar to 6-26. 6-26. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. Okay. Alright. Drag the entire text box to position it as shown in figure 626. 626. So you have to position it down here. Down, down, down. Yeah, approximately here. More down. So, okay, approximately this size. Okay, more or less. Okay, more or less. Okay, right, next, to compress pictures. Okay, so you want to make the size of the picture smaller, so that when you save the file, the file size will be small, smaller than the existing file size. Okay, click a picture in the document to select it. Okay, click a picture. So in this case, you may click any picture, but here it shows this picture. Alright, such as the ocean, and then display the picture tools format tab. Picture tools format tab. Click the compress picture button. Compress picture button to display the compress picture dialog box. If the apply only to this picture checkbox contains a check mark, okay, remove it. So you need to apply to all. Alright, all picture. Okay, if necessary, click print. Okay, so excellent quality on most printers. Click the OK button to compress all pictures in the document. So we compressed all pictures. Alright. Okay. So done on page 303. And then now to change the symbol format in a bulleted list. Navigate to the first page and then select the bulleted list. First page. Select the bulleted list for which you want to change the bullet symbol. Here, the 3 bulleted paragraphs on the first page. Highlight. Okay, then click the bullets arrow to display the bullets gallery. Right now, click the desired bullet symbol in the bullet library area to change the bullet symbol on the selected bulleted list. So in this case, they want you to change to this bullet list. Bullet. Alright, click anywhere to remove the selection from the text. Save the document again on the same storage location with the same file name as inserting graphics final. Save. The next, to close open panes, documents and windows, close the navigation pane, close the open document, leave word running, if necessary display the word help window and close it. So we have done on the first part of the module.